Hi there, welcome back. Today I want to explain to you how to use the Skool platform and how to navigate your way through the Skool platform, especially to share your affiliate link for the Skool platform, because this is something I want to share with you. You can make money from this Skool platform just by referring members, okay? And I want to show you how to do that now. So if you're logged in to the Skool platform and you're in my flexible income club, go to the little profile picture over here and click on it, and then click on affiliates. All right. Once you're in affiliates, choose the flexible income club. You will see you can earn a 50% commission for anyone who signs up to the flexible income club with your link. And this is your link. It's got a special reference number that is unique to you. So copy that link and share that with your friends and family who you want to join this platform. Okay, this is an easy way for you to make money. It's simple, $5 a month for someone to join. So you will make $2.50 from each and every person that you refer to this membership.